Hello students, now we will discuss about different junctions in epithelial tissue. Cells of epithelial tissue are arranged side by side or adjacently with the support of special types of linkages, and these linkages are also said as nothing but the areas which are keeping the adjacent epithelial cells structurally and functionally firm. These are also called as the junctions. Junctions means the areas between the side by side or adjacent epithelial cells which are bringing or linking to adjacent epithelium. Actually, the links are formed with the help of special type of cementing substances. Two adjacent epithelial cells or the areas where adjacent epithelial cells are linked are called as specialized junctions. These junctions, they serve for different needs of epithelium. So, the first modified junction or the area within epithelium is interdigitation. There are 4 different types of junctions. First one, interdigitation. Here, the plasma membrane of one epithelial cell, it is protruded deeply into the cytoplasm of adjacent epithelial cells. Such type of interdigitation type of linkages are seen in transitional epithelium. So, such type of junctions or links are said as interdigitation, means plasma membrane of one epithelial cell is in-depth protruded into cytoplasm of the adjacent epithelial cells. Second one, adhesions or desmosomes. These are also given other term like anchoring junctions or anchoring junctions. These are mainly used to give mechanical support to the epithelial layer. They provide to epithelium. They have special types of structures called as intermediate filaments or tonofibrils, and also some types of cytoplasmic plaques are present. So if we go for diagrammatic representation, so these can be the junctions. Here will be cytoplasmic plaques. This is the area between two adjacent epithelial cells. So this is between, we'll write space between epithelial cells. So this area is within the cell, means the cytoplasmic area. These are called as tonofibrils or intermediate filaments. These are made up of keratin protein. Now, here we have seen interdigitation is seen in case of transitional epithelium, like that. Tight junctions, adhesions or desmosomes. These are seen in case of stratified epithelium. Transitional epithelium means many layered of the epithelial cells. When they are in normal or resting position, there will be appearing many layers in that epithelium. But when the layer is stretched, then it appears as only one single layer. Such type of epithelium is called transitional epithelium. Now, stratified epithelium means many number of layers in the epithelium. We can also give a term like compound epithelium also. So, these adhesions or desmosomes or anchoring junctions seen in stratified epithelium. This area is called, this one, where tonofibrils are arranged, that is called cytoplasmic plaques. Third one, tight junctions. Tight junctions are the links within the epithelium which are used to prevent the leakages within the tissue. So, they are mostly seen in case of columnar epithelium. Actually, these type of tight junctions, they are seen within the, means in between the cells of where sweat glands are present. So, if we go for diagrammatic representation, so this area is cell internal cytoplasmic region. So, cytoplasmic area. So, this is between two epithelial cells. We also give a term like intercellular spaces. Intercellular junctions also we can. So, these are having different types of carrier channels, cytoplasmic channels also we can give. So the arrangement will be like this in case of tight junctions which are seen in stratified epithelium, columnar epithelium. Stratified epithelium is seen in case of adhesion junctions or desmosomes. Next, columnar epithelium is seen in case of tight junctions. And in case of interdigitation, we see such type of junctions in transitional epithelium. The last one is gap junctions. Gap junctions, this type of junctions are seen in mostly all types of cells along with these other types, but specially we'll read such types of gap junctions which are also supporting in rapid transportation of ions or elements or minerals and also impulses in cardiac muscles, also called communicating junctions. They function in rapid transfer of ions and impulses. Example, we can take cardiac muscles. So here in case of gap junctions, these are mainly supporting in communication, means transportation of impulses from one place to other place, and mostly these are seen in case of cardiac muscles. Sometimes the term is also used like these are also involved in depolarization. Also involved in depolarization. If you see the diagrammatic representation of gap junctions, These are gap junctions. The diagrammatic representation roughly will be like that. So this is cytoplasmic area. This area is means between adjacent cells, and here there will be some carrier channels or cytoplasmic channels.